Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this video today. This picture was posted on the Facebook group Zoya Nail Polish Exchange. It is a discontinued set. Zoya made, I believe it was 2012. I did find these on eBay, all three of them for it was over $100. The green one, Opal, I did find from $18 and up, and the blue one, $67. I'm going to do something fun, and I'm going to show you how to recreate a dupe of those polishes using the Zoya Neon collection. And you'll need a flaky iridescent topper, or you'll need a flaky iridescent glitter. So the toppers I have are from Starly. Unfortunately, 2 out of these 3 are no longer available, or they're sold out right now. I don't know if they'll be restocking. One of them actually happens to be on sale for $12, and that's Enchanted. So I'll show you that today. This, I believe I got from Glitter Unique, but you can also pick up iridescent flaky glitters on eBay. I shop there a lot for flaky glitters or whatever I need. This happens to be the only flaky glitter that I have. Also, Hollow Taco has unicorn skin flaky glitter toppers or whatever the heck they are, and they will work perfect for this as well. First, I'm going to add a base coat, and that's to protect your nails from any staining and make your mani last longer. The first one I'm going to attempt to duplicate is Opal, and for that I'm going to be using Zoya's Evergreen and Starly's Polyjuice Potion. So now I'm going to add the first coat of Evergreen. And I am using the new Z-Wide flat brushes. For this one, I'm going to use Polyjuice Potion, which I know is no longer available, but this one actually has deep blues and greens to a purple shift. The next step is to add another coat of Evergreen. And one more coat of Polyjuice Potion. And that's it. Wow, that looks pretty cool. This picture looks a little bit darker than Opal, but I do think it's close. I'm going to attempt to duplicate Chloe, and for this I'm going to use Zoya's Bisca and Starly's Unicorn. Now I'm going to apply Bisca. Bisca has the regular brush that comes with the polishes, and I have to get like 61 more to finish off my whole polish collection, so I'm only doing the ones that I know I'm going to use a lot of the time. Now I'm going to add one coat of the Unicorn Flaky Topper. I'm going to add another coat of Bisca. And one more coat of Unicorn. And there you have it. I think this is a pretty good match to Zoya's Chloe. Chloe seems to be a little bit more on the orange side, but I don't know, this looks just fine. I think anyway. This one didn't turn out too bad. Chloe's a little bit more orange and Biscuit is a little bit more coral. For this one, I'm going to try to duplicate Maisie, and I'll be using Zoya's Juvia and Starly's Polyjuice Potion. And I have the small brush in this one as well. Yeah, and just some of these, like these type of polishes that streak a little bit more. The small brushes are not good for that at all. I'm going to put one coat of Polyjuice Potion on. Trying to get some bare flakies out there. I guess that looks pretty good. And another coat of Juvia. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And one more coat of Polyjuice Potion. There, I think that looks pretty good. Pretty close match. I think in real life these two look more similar than this photo depicts. For this next fun demonstration, I'm going to be using Zoya's Kanna and Zoya's Sandy. I'm just going to throw in a little trick that I just figured out with using these sheer neons. So if you're just going to wear them on your own, the way, I put the sandwiched in with the glitter, they were fine. Couldn't really see any visible nail line. They looked pretty opaque. But when you're wearing them just by themselves, they're a little on the sheer side. And some of them don't ever get that opaque. Now I'm just going to layer Kanna over it. And that's it. Perfect neon, perfectly opaque. All you have to do is pick an opaque shade that is lighter than your neon, and then put your neon over it, and it works out perfect. It works out a lot better than using white undies because you don't see any white around the edges. I know I don't like that, and I know a lot of other people don't like having to use white undies with their sheer polishes either. So this is just another option that I really love. For this next demonstration, I will be using these flaky, actually they're shreds, blue-green iridescent glitters, and Zoya's Evergreen and Juvia. We'll take a quick look and see how it looks with the flaky glitter. And this is the blue-green shift glitter, and I'm pretty sure this one is from Glitter Unique. I actually just put the one coat of the base on, but it wasn't dry. You want to make it dry enough that it's not going to dent when you put the glitter on. And I'm just going to get off any loose pieces. I'm going to go in with a second coat of polish. And then wipe my brush off really good before I stick it back in the bottle. And the second coat of evergreen. Then sprinkle some more glitter over the top while it's still kind of wet. And then just kind of brush off anything loose. Let that set for a little bit and we'll put a top coat on. And then add a top coat. And make sure you wipe off your brush before you stick it in the bottle. I'm using an older bottle of a top coat because I don't want to ruin my good top coat. This is probably going to at least need 2 coats of top coat to smooth it out. It still looks a bit rough, so I'm going to go ahead and put another thick top coat over. Here it is with the blue-green shifting loose glitter. Now, if you're kind of not into the loose glitter, which I don't blame you, I'm not really into loose glitter, and you can't find the flaky glitter, there is this unicorn glitter by LA Colors, and it has 2 different size glitters in there. It's not flakes, so it does give it a different look, but let's take a look at this. So here I've already applied the first coat of each of the colors. We have Evergreen, Juvena, Bisca, Kanna, and Mara Jane. And I'm just putting 1 coat, a generous coat of the glitter. Maybe this one could use a little bit more. Maybe this one. Okay, wait for that to dry. I'm going to add a second coat. Of color. I'm going to add a second coat of the unicorn glitter. Okay, this does create a different look, but it's still really pretty and very unique. And here I thought I'd let you compare the unicorn LA Colors nail polishes to the flakes. I wanted to give you a little look at what these polishes look like with Enchanted, using Enchanted instead of the other polishes that I was using. And I threw in another color here. This is Mary Jane. So we have Evergreen, Juvia, Bisca, Kanna, and Mary Jane. And this all has the Starly Enchanted sandwiched in between it and over the top. You can compare them to the ones that I just did on my nails. So these two, actually these three have Polyjuice Potion, and then we have Unicorn and Unicorn. That kind of, you can tell that the Polyjuice Potion really has got the green and blues in it, but I don't think these are that much different. The Unicorn and Enchanted are that much different. I hope you enjoyed all the creative ideas in this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.